Now we're gonna add a head to the body. We're gonna take a light pink or peach color clay and make an oval circle out of it. Maybe take a little bit more. Yeah. It will be big enough. I'm gonna make an oval bowl like this. Take toothpick, put it in the head like this, and now we're gonna put it inside the body. Just make sure it doesn't go from the other side. If it goes, you can always take it out and cut it a little bit, so there won't be any sharp edges on the end of the sheep. And after we put the head in, we're gonna make a little curl on the top of the head. Okay, you take another white colored clay, make a little snake. We're gonna curl it from both sides like this, and then we're gonna just push it a little bit on to the middle, in the middle to the end, and put it on top.